Hey guys, it's Tara Radcliffe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my morning smoothie. Guys, this smoothie is so good. I use all these ingredients every morning in order to help with my hormonal health. It helps with my energy levels, with my mental clarity, with staying focused and just getting things done. So I'm super excited to share this recipe with you guys because I feel like if you guys do this every morning, you're gonna see such a huge improvement with your overall energy throughout your day. Now, before I get started, I also wanna let you guys know that everything that I'm going to be showing you today is just my suggestions. They're not something that so if you don't do well with some of these ingredients, don't put it in your smoothie. And also, if you have certain health conditions happening in your life, make sure you talk to your doctor before adding supplements or any kind of herbs into your diet. So I just want to let you guys know that little disclaimer. And yeah, let's get right into it. And let me show you how to make this amazing gut healthy, hormone boosting, energy rising, and great focus type of smoothie. Let's get into it. All right guys, so the first thing that we're going to add is a plant-based milk. So I love to use almond milk, but if you don't really care for almond milk, you can use hemp milk, you can use hazelnut milk, which has become one of my favorites as well. And there's so many different options. So what we're going to do is first add our milk here. I'm making 3 servings of this today, so I'm adding about 4.5 cups of almond milk. All right. The next thing we're going to add here is our flax. So I love flax because it's great in dietary fiber and it is amazing in amino acids, and it just helps with overall hormonal health as well. Like I love it during like PMS time. I don't know if it's okay for me to say that, but yeah, during PMS time, it really helps to like stay more centered for me. Like I feel a huge difference with it. So I'm adding about a couple tablespoons of flax powder to my smoothie. The next thing we're going to add is chia seeds. Chia seeds are fantastic because they are a great source of protein. And also it's really cool because when they get into your stomach, they absorb a lot of water. So they expand in your stomach, which causes you to stay full for a longer period of time. And it helps to slow down the absorption of food in your body, which helps you lose some weight. So we like to add that into our smoothie as well. Third thing that I have going on here is some cacao. Now, cacao is one of my favorite superfoods because not only is it great for hormones, it's also a natural antidepressant. So it really helps to regulate my moods. It makes me happier. It makes me a smiley person throughout my day. So I love adding cacao. I'm adding a couple tablespoons of it because I love the chocolatey flavor of it. It also has so many more amazing health benefits, but I'm just kind of summing it all up for you guys. Also, we're going to be adding some bee pollen. Now, bee pollen you gotta be careful with because some people have a sensitivity to it, but I've learned to really love this product and I use it as much as possible. I add it into my smoothie and I also add it on as toppings on my salads, or if I'm making like an avocado toast or something, it tastes so good on it. So bee pollen is so good for, it has an amazing amount of amino acids, it's great in minerals, it's great for your immune system. There's so many health benefits to bee pollen. Just make sure that you add a little bit of it. So I'm using like 1/4 teaspoon, but since I'm making 3 servings of it today, I'm gonna add a couple 1/4 teaspoon servings. Now, we're gonna get into my favorite supplement line here by Sun Potion. Sun Potion is so great because they have such a high vibe of healthy tonics and elixirs and just herbs, and they are just sourced so beautifully. So I love to use Sun Potion for my smoothies and just supplements in general. So the first thing we're going to add here is Yin Power. Yin Power is so great for the women out there and also for men. It's more drawn towards the more feminine energy. So if you're a man and you're watching this and you really don't want to go towards that feminine energy more, you can also use He Shu Wu, which is also from Sun Potion. But I'm just focusing on this smoothie today, so we're gonna focus on Yin Power. And Yin Power is great for immune, it's great for energy, it's great for that creative energy within us. It just has so many fantastic benefits. Also for libido and hormonal health, it's amazing. So I love using this. I'm gonna add a couple teaspoons of this into my smoothie. Now we're going to move over to the lion's mane. Lion's mane, if you guys don't know about it, is an amazing, amazing mushroom. It helps with mental clarity, staying focused, your memorization. Like, I feel like when I take this, I'm able to focus throughout my day and like really get a lot of stuff done. So I add this into my smoothie. You can also add it into your coffee, which is so good. So we're going to add a couple teaspoons of this as well into our smoothie. We're going to get into pearl powder. Yes, you heard it right. It's actually freshwater pearls that have been crushed and made into a supplement form. It's an amazing supplement that I love to add into my smoothie because it naturally creates more collagen in your body, which is great for your hair, skin, nails, overall radiance. I mean, it's amazing. So it's a fantastic thing to add for beauty and it's just fancy. Why wouldn't you want to add it? So I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon per serving of this as well. Now we have some Udo's oil. Udo's oil is an amazing source of fatty acids. So it has 3, 6, 9 omegas, and it's just a great source of omega fatty acids that I love to add into my smoothies. And it's plant-based, so it's great. You know, you don't have to get it from fish. It's made from seeds, so flax seeds, and I believe, what is it? Sunflower? Yeah, sunflower seeds. It's amazing. So I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of this into my smoothie as well. Some people like to just blend it like this, but I also like to add a protein powder into it because I need the protein throughout my day. So I'm using Garden of Life. This protein powder works really well for my body. I feel like I don't get bloated, and some people, when they take protein powders, they get bloated or they don't really feel well, like they don't digest it well. But this one works for me. Now you can add whatever protein powder works for you, but this is the one I choose to use. And I'm using Garden of Life plant-based protein chocolate flavor. It's my favorite. And I feel like it really goes well with the cacao as well. So that's always nice. Now we're going to add a cup of wild blueberries. You can use frozen regular blueberries as well. I like wild blueberries because I feel like they're sweeter, but the nutritional content is about the same. So wild blueberries, frozen wild blueberries, or regular blueberries will work just fine. I'm also going to add a couple of frozen bananas. If this is just for one person or 2 people, I only like to add 1 banana because I'd rather not have the high amount of sugar. But the potassium really helps me throughout my day. So I like to add the banana in there as well. So now we're just going to close this up, mix it up, and serve it. And it's that easy. All right, guys, so I have whipped this up. We're just going to pour it into our cups. It looks heavenly and divine, and I love that I know what's in here and I know the benefits that it's going to have to my body and how it's going to help me throughout my day. It's a great mix of amazing superfoods that are just gonna be amazing. So that's it. I'm really excited. I'm hungry too, so this is gonna be good. Boop, boop, boop. That's it. To good health. I hope you guys try this. Also remember to talk to your doctor if you have some weird sensitivities, because I don't want to be responsible for that. Nope, not today, boo. So yeah, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more healthy and easy recipes that you can incorporate throughout your day. I love being here for you guys, and I love hearing your comments, so make sure to comment below. And yeah, I will see you next time. Thanks guys, bye. Cheers.